When starting to use ChMeetings for your church, you can import your people data using the dedicated Import People tool. We provide an import template that you can download and populate with your data. You can then upload the file into ChMeetings. Once you complete the upload, we will show you a detailed view of each record. You will see details regarding newly imported families, correct records that will create new people profiles, correct records that will be updating existing people profiles, warnings, and errors. You can decide to include new people in specific groups. You can also review all the data to be imported and remove records as needed. Additionally, you can import families by adding a family ID and family role column, or add a QR code column to generate custom QR codes for use across ChMeetings. You can easily go through this process yourself or let us run the import for you. The service is free if you sign up for any paid plan. If you need assistance, contact us by going to the Help section.